Alright, just a quick vid. You see it got the Bred Force. You see the thumbnail, you see the title. Jordan Bred Force. These gonna drop the May 4th. Hit on these off the SNKRS app on the shot drop. I believe it was Monday. Yeah, on Monday. And if you're an OG sneakerhead or you've been doing shoes for a while, you already know. You already know what's up with these. Black, cement, fours. Bred Force, whatever you want to call it. Bred Force, cement fours, whatever. They got the OG hang tag on it, the Nike Air. All the other ones before this came with that little clear Jumpman joint. Got the Nike Air on the back. Black new butt, gray midsole. See the red at the bottom. And like I said, sneakers have been fucking with me lately. You see I got them Susan 1s out there. I got these. I hit on the 97s. I just need to keep that same energy because when Travis Scott 1s drop next month, I'm getting those for sure. And I also broke out these white joints. Got these in 2016. And these motherfuckers is 220. Yeah, these is 220. These is 200. You see right here, these had the Nike Air on the back. That's when they brought them back with these. You see, these basically still look fucking dead stock. Let me see if the hang tag's still in here. Yeah. So this shit came with this damn foo-foo ass hang tag, and these was $220, $20 more. And this one got the motherfucking OG, OG joint. Just brought this one so you see the comparison. Sides, the back. These pretty much the same shoes but flip. You know how you got the white cement 3s and the black cement 3s. Just like that basically, but flipped on the 4s. But this is just a quick video just showing you the shoes. I did get them early. These come out May 4th, $200. These is gonna be like GR like a motherfucker. So you can go like Shoe Palace, Foot Locker, or whatever and grab these. You know, if you trying to get these came out 2016. You gotta pay resale, GOAT, StockX, motherfucking Flight Club, whatever. And like I said, that's pretty much it. Box, regular paper, and the shoes. I'm gonna do a quick on foot.
Hey, look, what it's gonna take to shine? How he don't know me but wanna take what's mine? I take consideration with every line. Half these niggas lying, that ain't none of my business. See, I'm just bending. Let me get back to the sentence. Remember vivid politicking back then on how we would live it. It's amazing to see me right here still up on a mission. I came some distance sticking to tradition. Never slipping, the flow's a ticket. Out of this madness, stuck in the bucket on some crab shit. It's tragic. Trapped in my head, close to the edge. Ain't made $1 off rapping, they saying that I should wrap it up, but what you really do it for? Been had the passion, ain't no acting, I can't give it up. This therapeutic when I do it, and I know it's only two could use it. I'ma stick to what I know, I don't need you to approve it. While they was snoozing, I'm showing improvement, flowing elusive. Stone like Medusa, ups and my downs, I give it to you. I done seen the struggle, I recall that. Could never take this shit for granted, cause this music where my heart at. City of the sin, play with the cards dealt. I had to defy limitations, I'ma get to it regardless. They say a star is meant to shine through darkness. I overshine for the days I had it the darkest. The darkest.
Look, was on my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice. I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Look, reached every goal I actually said. I had to sit back down and rearrange that list, nigga. Look, and now I'm